Please excuse my house. I'm in the process of renovating, but I've had this coffee maker now for probably about 3 months, and I love it. I do. It's very practical. It makes an awesome pot of coffee. It blooms the coffee initially. Um, it does have some things about it that I don't like. One of the things is that you can't basically set how much coffee you want to make. However much water you put into the machine, that's how much coffee it's going to make. And so I get a little bit confused as to how much coffee to put in. You get these little um, measuring spoons that comes with it. So sometimes, but the plus size is the coffee, because I had a Curp, and I would make a cup of coffee. I only can make one at a time, and the coffee would get cold, or if I want another cup of coffee, I've got to go through the process of making it. Where this thermal, oh, it keeps the coffee piping hot for hours. So if I'm wandering around at my day and I'm like, oh, I think I want another cup of coffee, all I have to do is pour it. So that's pretty great. I have not tried the timer, where I think it can make coffee at a certain time of the day. Time saver. It does take a long time to brew now. That's true. But you want a good cup of coffee, that's the process. Anyway, I love this guy. It's nice size. I can't complain.
Okay, let me just say right off the bat, yes, get this. It's really, really good, and I'm super picky. A few years ago, I decided to get a high quality, invest a little more and get a high quality coffee maker instead of like getting the cheap ones and then replacing them every year or so. So I got a Ratio 6, which makes coffee amazingly, and yet it broke within the first year. It took forever to get it repaired and sent back, and once it did, I only used it a few dozen times, and it broke again. So I was kind of furious about that, considering what I spent. But I love the way it made coffee, and the main thing is it's got a bloom cycle. The water heats up to the 200 degrees, and it's got the insulated thermos rather than the burner, which really makes coffee taste nasty, I think. So if you're a coffee snob like myself, and you don't need all the frills and thrills and stuff, you just want that really, really good smooth coffee that stays hot. This has that ticks all the boxes, and this only cost me $150 as it was an open box purchase. It was just like new when I got it, though. I love the way the water thing comes out and makes it really easy to fill up right over there. It's not super heavy, but you can tell that it's quality. And I've used it now 4 or 5 times, and the coffee is absolutely incredible. And I'm the kind of guy that gets stuff like this, like the burr grinder, so that it doesn't burn the beans, but they can be ground fresh. Like, I'm that kind of coffee snob. So if you're really into good coffee, this, big thumbs up. Hell yes, get it.